A comprehensive comparison of Leetop, Realtime, and AverMedia carrier boards for NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier modules, analyzing technical specifications tailored for AI-centric edge computing applications. Delving into detailed specifications to understand key features and differences. Selecting the right carrier board is crucial to unlocking the full potential of NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier-powered projects.
Technical specifications is given below.
AverMedia AG411, Leetop A501, Leetop A502, Leetop A505, Realtime's RTSO 1001, Realtime's RTSO 1002. Comparison of technical specifications. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna Tech Biz. Together, stay connected.